How to fix game stuttering in Windows 11. The very first thing you want to try doing is stop the recording tools. The game DVR is enabled by default, so we need to disable it to stop interrupting the gameplay. In order to disable game DVR in Windows 11, first of all, click Windows plus R to open the Run app and enter regedit to open the registry editor. In the window, navigate yourself to the below path to open the registry key called Game DVR Enabled. Modify the field. Type in 0 in the value data field and select hexadecimal as a base. Save the changes and try restarting your computer to see if there's any change. Now the other thing you want to do is make the game as high priority. There could be a situation where you can only close some background apps to allocate all the processing power to the gameplay. In such cases, you can use the task manager to set the game as a high priority to allocate maximum resources to the game. In order to do so, search for Task Manager and open it. Navigate to the Details section and right-click on the gaming app icon. Select Set Priority in the drop-down and set it to the high or above normal. Also, if you have some apps that need resources even in the background, you can set them to low or priority. Once it has been done, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing the issue, then you can try updating graphic card drivers. Most of the time, updating graphic card has fixed the issue. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix game stuttering in Windows 11. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.